One of the most common questions I get is, how do I download ChatGPT app for my PC? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. While there isn't a traditional standalone application yet, I'll show you a professional trick to turn ChatGPT into a high-performance desktop app using progressive web application technology. And to do that, we head over to our Chrome browser. We'll be using Chrome browser. Open your Chrome browser, then go to your ChatGPT account. ChatGPT, you open it, and if you are not logged in, make sure you are logged in. Then from the right side where we have the three dots, click, then scroll down to where it has written cast, save and share. Click it. Then you see this monitor with the download button. It says install pages app. Click it. You see this pop-up, just leave everything as it is, then click install. And just like that, we have installed as an app on our computer. So to access this, let's close everything. We go to normally the way we look for apps, we look for ChatGPT. Then we open it as an app. It opens immediately. So you can use it just like the normal application. And if you're tired and you want to uninstall it, on the same window on your right, you see these three dots. Click, then you select this uninstall ChatGPT. You click it and you say uninstall. It disappears immediately. So even if I search here, it won't be available. If this quick tip helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more Windows and AI tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Thank you.